Hey guys, what's up? Jai Hind. This is Ananya, your SST Master Teacher at Vedant. So, people, without any further delay, let's get started with this session. Before that, if you people are new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much in advance. Chalo. So guys, as we know, we are doing Sprint X series, and in this Sprint X series, basically we are revising all the chapters from your term one. All right. In this particular video, I'm going to revise resources and development. So I want you guys to stay till the end of the session, and at the end of the session, I'm going to give you homework question, and I want you guys to give the answer in the comment section. All right, chalo. Guys, on which topics I'm going to ask you questions in this particular video. It is going to be on types of resources, development of resources, resource planning, and land resources and soil as a resource. Cool? Chalo. Guys, this is the schedule of your favorite master teachers, Anup sir, Shilpi ma'am, Gopal sir, Maria मैम, अनन्या सर और आपका चिंटू भैया एंड श्वेता रॉय मैम, राइट? सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग गाइस, लास्ट टाइम आई गिव यू होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. द होमवर्क क्वेश्चन वाज according to the conservatives, which of the following measures could strengthen the autocratic monarchies of Europe? Four options were given to you: modern army, an efficient bureaucracy, a dynamic economy, or is it all of these? And the right answer is option D, all of these. And congratulations to all those kids who gave the right answer in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. In a similar way, guys, I'm going to give you a homework question from resources and development at the end of the session. So stay there till the end. Cool? Chalo. So guys, the very first question coming on your screen, the sprint time is going to be 1 minute. As you know, guys, you have to pause the video once I read the question. You have to pause the video. I will wait for a few seconds and then I will show you the answer. Okay? Maximum time for this question is going to be 1 minute. Chalo. Question is very simple. Which kind of relationship is shown in the given image? So an image is given to you. You can see human beings, nature, technology, institutions. Okay, it is given in that image. So which kind of relationship is shown in the given image? Options are a related relationship, B, dependent relationship, C, interdependent relationship, or is it option D, independent relationship? And the time starts now. Pause the video and give the answer. So the right answer is option D, interdependent. Yes, guys, look at the image. Human beings interact with the nature through technology, and this technology is made in the institutions, and this is how we get resources. What is the definition of resources? Anything which is available in our surrounding, which is used to satisfy our needs, provided it should be technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. That is termed as a resource. Clear? Chalo. So the right answer is interdependent relationship. Acha, one more thing, guys. I want you guys to seriously tell me in the chat box once the session is completed how many right answers you gave. All right? So like, let's say I'm going to ask you 10 questions. So tell me the score: 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 on 10. All right? 1 out of 10, 0 out of 10. Whatever you got, do let me know frankly in the comment section. All right? Chalo. Next question, guys. Which type of resource is park? Gardens, park. Option A, community owned resource. B, non-renewable resource. C, individual resource. Or is it D, potential resource? Think. Which type of resource is park? Ready? Okay. So let's see the answer. And the right answer is option A, community owned resource. Entire community can access that resource. Simple as that. Like for example, this house is my property, individual resource. In a similar way, park comes under community owned resource. Clear? It was very simple. Yes. Chalo. Next question, guys, coming on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Who wrote the book Small is Beautiful? Option A, Schumacher. Option B, Spencer. Option C, Surrey. Or is it option D, Stewart? Who wrote the book Small is Beautiful? Ready? And let's see the answers. Guys, it is option A, Schumacher. Yes. Do you know, guys, who was Schumacher? Guys, he was a racing driver. Yes. So he wrote the book Small is Beautiful. Okay, guys, next question on your screen. This soil is also found in the eastern coastal plains in the deltas of river Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Now, guys, you know all these rivers, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, are east flowing rivers. They drain their water in Bay of Bengal. So, which type of soil is found in the eastern coastal plain of the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri? 4 options. Option A, black soil. Option B, laterite soil. Option C, alluvial soil. Or is it option D, red soil? Think. Ready? Alright, let's see the right answer. And it is option C, alluvial soil. Yes. Guys, how alluvial soil is formed? Alluvial soil is formed due to the depositional work done by the rivers. Yes? Great. So it is option C. Moving ahead with the next question on your screen. Which one of the following is the main reason for land degradation in Punjab? So there can be many reasons for the land degradation in Punjab, but I want you guys to tell me the main reason. A, inclusive cultivation. B, over irrigation. C, deforestation. Or is it D, over grazing? Which one of the following is the main reason for the land degradation in Punjab? Think. Ready? And let's have a look on the answer. It is over irrigation. I hope, guys, you people give the right answer. Okay, so guys, that is over irrigation. Simple as that. Clear hai? Chalo. Let's have a look on the next question. But before that, guys, if you people are new on this channel, first of all, let me welcome you guys to Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. And let me tell you guys, there is something very amazing and very exciting for you guys, especially who are new. People, the way you guys are watching my video on YouTube, in a similar way, you guys can take our pro subscription and you can learn from us. Yes. Now you will be like, sir, if we are able to understand everything on YouTube, why should we take your pro subscription? Good question. So let me tell you guys the reason why you should take our pro subscription. First of all, over there, every session is going to be a live session. Now guys, you people are aware, there is a huge difference between watching a recorded session and a live session. Like this is a recorded session. You cannot interact with me. But in live session, you can interact with your teachers. Right? Secondly, you are actually competing with the students throughout the globe. How? Guys, because students in Vedantu are from across the globe, not only from India, but they come from different countries also. So competition is increasing. Third, if you miss out the session due to any reason, you can watch the replays. And guys, these replays are going to be interactive replays. Means, let's suppose you missed out the session due to power cut or due to poor connectivity. You can watch the replays, and while watching the replay, you can participate in the quizzes which I asked during the live session. Next, not only this, You can even download the notes which are made by your master teachers. Next, the most amazing part, doubts. In a recorded video, like you are watching this recorded one, you cannot ask me any question. On YouTube, it is very difficult to ask for you guys to ask us doubts during the live session also. But over there, the task becomes very simple because we have two teacher pattern, master teacher and class teacher. Master teacher will explain you the concepts. Class teacher will solve your doubts. And not only this, your doubts will be solved after the class also. Is it possible on YouTube? No. Continuously tests are taken. Assignments are given to you. So, many other things like micro courses, crash courses. What are micro courses? Let's suppose you attended the live session of resources and development. Alright. And if you wish to attend a live session of this chapter once again, you can separately enroll to the topic of resource and development as a micro course. Yes. Achha, how many micro courses you can attend? Unlimited. Crash courses are revision courses. So are you understanding, guys? All these benefits you will not get on YouTube. So take our pro subscription. Take all these advantages. The link is there in the description box. This is my coupon code ADPRO, Ananya Dutt Pro, to get flat 10% off on all our plans. Guys, like if you are not confident with the term 1, we are also providing term 1 crash course. Term 1 is going to be, will start from 30th of November. So still it is possible that you guys can come with us, you guys can join us and improve yourself. Guys, whatever benefits I said you, all those benefits you will get at rupees 5,000 till your term 1 ends. But if you apply my coupon code ADPRO, it will come down to 4,500. Now you'll have a question, so what is the difference between light and classic? In classic, you will get a doubts app. Means after the class, you can ask questions. It is basically for 5,500. After applying my coupon code, it will come down to 4,950. So just by spending 450 rupees extra, you can ask questions after the class also, at any time. Amazing thing, right? And you have free micro courses, so that is unlimited. No need to pay extra for that. So guys, the link is there in the description box. Use my coupon code ADPRO, get flat 10% off on all our plans. Okay? How you guys can watch the replays, how you can download the notes, will definitely guide you at the end of the session. But before that, let's have a look on the next question. The next question on your screen, AR question. Assertion is, alluvial soil is loamy and permeable. What is meaning of permeable rocks? From where the air or water can pass through. So alluvial soil is loamy and permeable. Reason, it does not develop cracks in dry, hot season. So you have 4 options in front of you. If you think assertion and reason both are true and reason also explains the assertion, then choose option A. If you think assertion and reason both are true, but reason is not explaining the assertion, it is not the explanation of assertion, then choose option B. If you think the statement which is given in assertion, that is right, but the statement which is given in reason, that is wrong, then choose option C. And if you think assertion and reason both are false, then choose option D. Think, I'm giving some time. Alluvial soil is loamy and permeable. It does not develop crack in the dry hot season. And the right answer is option A. Guys, assertion is also right, reason is also right, and yes, reason is also explaining the assertion. Simple. Next question, guys, on the screen. Assertion. Economic development of a nation depends mainly on the richness, development, and management of resources. Reason, overpopulation results in over-exploitation of resources. Again, the options are same. Read the statement assertion and read the statement of reason and accordingly choose the options. Pause the video, think, and then give the answer. And the right answer is, it is option B. Guys, assertion is also right, reason is also right, but reason is not explaining the statement which is given in assertion. So it is option B. Very simple. Let's move to the eighth question. Now guys, the eighth question is match the following. In column A, it is given as human beings interact with, human beings interact via, human beings create what, nature, technology and institution raises what. Okay, so these are the four options which are given to you. Think, human beings interact with what, technology, nature, economy, institutions. Human beings interact via technology, nature, economy, institutions. Four options are given to you. And the right answer is option C. Guys, human beings interact with nature. Human beings interact via technology. Human beings create institutions. And nature, technology and institution raises the economy. Yes, so it is option C. Alright. Chalo, ninth question guys coming on your screen. In the fallow land, if the fallow land is included under cultivated area, the net sown area would decrease drastically. What is fallow land? The land which is cultivable but it is not put to cultivation. It is not put for use. Why it is not put to use? To increase the fertility of the soil. So if the fallow land is included under cultivated area, the net sown area would decrease drastically. Is it true or false? And the right answer is option B. It is false. Very simple, plain and simple. The last question on your screen. Then I am going to give you a homework question. On what basis do we classify the following resources? That is potential, stock, developed and reserves. So potential, stock, developed and resource can be classified on the basis of renewable, non-renewable, a biotech, or its status of development. On what basis do we classify the following resources? Potential, stock, developed and reserves. Let's have a look on the answer. And the right answer is option D, status of development. Guys, resources can be classified into four categories: origin, exhaustibility, ownership and status of development. So on the basis of status of development, resources can be classified on the basis of potential, stock, developed and reserves. Guys, if you want to know the meaning of these terms, I have made many videos on this topic. Guys, that is why I'm telling you, subscribe to this channel. You will come across lots and lots of free, amazing content, high level content. So if you want to know the meaning of what is potential, resource, stock, developed and reserves, all right, so browse this channel. You will come across all these videos. Cool? Great. Now guys, I want you guys to tell me in the chat box, in the comment section, what is your score. So out of 10 questions, what is your score? Okay, frankly tell me. I want everyone to tell this. Now guys, the homework question is, what is the land called which is left uncultivated for 1 agricultural year to 5 agricultural year? Option A, cultivable wasteland, B, wasteland, C, arable land, or C, D, fallow land. Okay, so people, this is going to be your homework question. I want you guys to tell me the answer in the comment section after this video ends. This is the current session which is going on resources and development. Guys, tomorrow on 24th of October at 8 p.m. I'm going to take the topic agriculture. So make sure that you are very well prepared with the topic agriculture. All right. Tomorrow, 24th October, 8 p.m. All right, people. So thank you so much, guys, for attending my session. I hope the session was useful. Guys, if you want such amazing content, if you want to learn from us, as you know the advantages, the link is there in the description box. Guys, let me guide you once again. Guys, quickly, guys, let's say this is one of my video on YouTube. You just go down, scroll down, go to show more, and you can get the information of all the courses. If you are planning for term 1, you can take term 1 crash courses at just 4,500, 4,950. I told you guys the difference between light and classic. Okay? AD Pro is my code. If you want the subscription for both the terms, you can take the subscription for both the terms. Alright, already my code is applied, AD Pro. Guys, you will also, if you are planning for long-term batches for entire year, then you can also try it for 1 month, and if you take it for entire year, then we can give you EMI options. Right? Guys, let me guide you how you can download the notes. Guys, this is the dashboard. Once you take over subscription, such kind of dashboard you will come across. Guys, you just have to go to the past sessions, and then you can click on these buttons: replace, get note. Once you click on replay, you will come across n number of times you can watch the
Okay,
replays.
take it in a
This
positive
is how
sense
we
that
ask
you
questions
made
during the
playlist.
classes.
Can you say Mohit sir?
This is how sessions are taken,
Okay, guys.
live sessions. You can watch the replays. You can download the notes. Each and everything, including MCQs, the explanation part, everything you can download, guys. Everything from here. Alright, guys. So I hope the session was really useful for everyone. If yes, do not forget to hit the like button, show some love by hitting the like button, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Do not forget to be a part of our Pro subscription. Link is there in the description box. AD Pro is my code. I'll see you in my long-term batches. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take very, very, very good care of yourself. Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.